HubSpot sounds like it can do all the things, but does that mean I can get by with HubSpot alone with no additional CMS, CRM, or analytics applications?
Yeah, and I mean, HubSpot has the potential to be just kind of like the all-in-one for you with it's got the CRM obviously, but with the CMS add-on through the CMS hub, it can serve as your website and your CMS platform. It can serve as the central hub for your marketing to replace tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. But there are limitations to those hubs that HubSpot offers. And really where the wealth of data and the potential comes from HubSpot is through its really vast suite of integrations.
It's filling out the dance card for all of the marketing tools that you want to use. We have found that HubSpot is extremely user-friendly and very well integrated between its sales and marketing and service hub. That said, there are other tools that are real standard in the industry and that HubSpot is set up to integrate well with, Google Analytics being one of them. I mean, to use HubSpot without Google Analytics would be like flying blind. Or at least flying partially blind. And then by extension, you would also want to bring in Google Search Console, because why wouldn't you want as much organic search data as Google is willing to freely share with you? So there's that aspect of it. There's ad platforms, obviously, sort of the big ones, Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, et cetera, that easily integrate with HubSpot and will feed into that. And you can manage those campaigns from within HubSpot, or you can manage them from within the platforms. There's a lot of accessibility. I think the key to HubSpot is that it will do most of the things that you really need to do, but it is very, very flexible, and it actually shines as part of an integrated stack of search, social, and marketing tools.